So I got a piece of leaf spring steel from a broken ATV trailer. There you go. Oh, I need to sit down. This is going to be a while.